Welcome to Financial Literacy Class 101. Our topic of discussion today is the process of replacing a lost title deed. So let me take you through. So a title deed is a legal document that confers the ownership, possession of a land. Is a legal document that defines the property lines, of a parcel, and also it has the acreage. So we will go to the replacement of a title deed. So once being a title deed is a very important document that it is able to define the who is the legal owner. So it's a very sensitive document. So once it's lost, the Kenyan system, there is a way that to recover it. So if you are from TikTok, thank you for coming. Ensure after the video you'll be able to leave a comment and a big up. For the returning subscribers, thank you for coming. For the new subscriber, this is Financial Literacy Class 101, where I give financial advice for free so that you may be financially educated, hoping that one day the literacy levels in the community will be boosted for all of us to be financially successful. So the first thing, once you lose a title deed, you need a police abstract. So this police abstract is to confirm that you've lost the title deed, just so that in case it engages in a criminal in any criminal activity, you need to report to a police station so that they give you an abstract. Once they are giving you an abstract, you need to be having a copy of the title deed, your ID number, or maybe you have the land reference number of the lost number of the title deed. You get it? So because the essence of giving a copy of title deed, they want to confirm what is the land reference number of this title deed. The other thing, you need to do a land search at the registry. So the reason you do a land search is to confirm that you're the legal owner of this title deed that you're saying you have lost. You get it? So it affirms the legal ownership of the parcel of land. You get it? That is why you have to conduct a land search. The other thing you have to do, step number 3, you have to do something we call a statutory declaration. This is writing an affidavit confirming that I, the owner of this title deed, the title deed of this ID card, confirms that I lost the title deed through process 1, 2, and 3. The reason for that, for swearing an affidavit, is there are some people who normally pick the ID cards they take to Shyrox. Then again they say it's lost. So that we may have a barrier such that once you pick an affidavit and confirm the way it lost, then the court comes and find that that was not the reason, you stand to be charged and you'll be heavily penalized. So that is why they need a statutory declaration under which the state under which circumstance the title deed was lost. In case for a company, the statutory declaration will be done by the directors or the directors. So then again we need to go and fill land registration form number 12. In this land registration form number 12, we normally need that police abstract. Then we need certificate copies of IDs of the proprietors. These are the landowners. Also, we need copies of incorporation if it is, that is in case of a company. Also, we need IDs of all the directors, or maybe ID card of the owner. That is for the directors is in case for a company. We also need colored passports for the directors or the land of the landowner who has lost the title deed. Also, we need to the request for replacement letter. Also, we need an official search. With those documents, we'll be able to initiate the process of succession. Then it is very important that duration that now you've lost the title deed and you're waiting for the registrar to replace to give a duplicate of the same ID card, you need to apply a caution. What is this caution? Caution, it is this restriction that you place in a title deed such that nobody can be able to transfer that possession until they remove that barrier. And yourself who was able to initiate that caution, it is possible to remove it. So if the parcel is of high value, 100 million, 5 million, 800,000, you need first to put a caution. Another thing, to protect illegal dealings, The caution protects the person from any illegal dealings. Then we need, after that, we need to gazette. And this process of gazetting, we first have to publish in 2 local diaries. Then after publishing the local diaries, we go all with the all requirements that are needed, from police abstract, certificate of copies of the proprietors. We go to colored passport, official current land search that is not older than 60 days. We need to publish in 2 local diaries. Then with those, we'll take to the registrar so that he gives us a notice to gazette it. Gazette it, you have to pay the order charges that you will pay when placing a gazettement. Then a gazettement will be given 60 days. The reason we give 60 days is for anybody who is objecting that for us to for the land registrar to authorize a duplicate of the title deed to be given to this landowner. We give the public 60 full days for anyone to, with any objection, to come forward. Then we need the last thing, we will confirm then insurance of a duplicate of title deed. This is Financial Literacy Class 101. If you have a question, kindly ask. And thank you for my TikTok followers. The only way we can interact is you asking a question in the comment section. If you have no question, ensure you leave an emoji in the comment section, and you like the video. The reason anytime you like the video is a gesture of telling me Njogu, the land surveyor, kindly thank you for that content, and we are asking that you may create more. Anytime you like it, YouTube algorithm will suggest it to more people. Thank you.